Oo nga.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Oo.
Ready na ang ating guest astrologist,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na si Sir Resty Santiago para ikwento na sa atin yung dalang swerte sa universe ngayong 2026.
Ako, sana swerte tayong lahat.
Hello.
Hello.
Ayan
Yes.
na.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, Resty.
Good evening. Eto na po, hindi na ako papatumpik-tumpik pa. Sir Resty, ano bang pinakaswerteng zodiac ngayong 2026?
Yeah, okay. Also, ang pinakamaswerte na zodiac sign, I use the Western system of astrology, is actually Sagittarius. Parang almost buong taon, parang very positive siya. Number one, the first half of the year, very internal, no? Parang perseguido. And the second half of the year, Sagittarius will be very active, proactive, and will receive lots of opportunities.
Wow. Yun lang po. Kasi nag-expect ako may Gemini pa ba? Baka may Cancer dyan?
Oh, yeah, Cancer. Okay, the next one. The next one is Cancer. Kasi the best, no? The best is Sagittarius, tapos the second one is actually Cancer. So Cancer is the sign, no, wherein there will be new beginnings, new opportunities. Although nagsimula na siya last year, first second half of the year, continuous pa rin yan. So kung may delay, this is a good time. The next 6 months is a good time to start a new phase of your life, new job, new opportunities. Grab it. So yeah, Cancer.
Sir Resty, isa-isahin na natin yung zodiac para
Correct,
alam na natin lahat.
Oo.
Nihintay namin yung mga zodiac
Okay.
sign
Oo.
namin eh.
Yeah, sure. Oo. Sige, so yung pangatlo naman na luckiest, no? Although 50-50 na siya, no? Kaya ranking tayo no. So the third is Leo, which is dalawa ang influences sa Leo. Number one, on the first half of the year, meron challenges sa kanila, no, wherein they need to be very sure of themselves, no? Parang may emotional issues na kailangan harapin, ano? Okay. Pero after that, second half of the year, there can be a new beginning for them, no? So sila naman yung magkakaroon ng mas madaming suporta, they'll become more prominent, no? Sisikat, no? Depende sa linya mo. Or in general, no, it can be translated into less recognition and growth, no? So Leo is the third luckiest of the 12 signs, no? Okay, so punta na lang tayo sa first sign of the zodiac, no, which is Aries. Yung Aries naman, the planet Saturn will be in Aries starting on the first quarter at around 2 years yan. So basically, pag Saturn is there in that sign, ano, may mga haharapin, no, na blockages.
Ito
no?
na
They
yung
have to work
challenge
on-
signs.
Yes, this is the most challenge, of the signs, no? So Aries, no? So madaming blockages, madaming pwedeng kaaway or kalaban, But basically, if they can let's say face all of this, no? Have some form of boundary, let's say in terms of money, let's say if they can budget and they follow the rules, it will still be a good year, no?
Ooh.
Okay?
Ay, wait.
Okay, sige.
So yung iba po,
The next-
kalmado lang. Sino po yung next after Aries?
Okay, sige. The next after Aries is Aquarius. Okay, number one, dahil may eclipse, no, in Aquarius on February, no. So normally nga pag may eclipse, may madaming lumalabas na hindi ini-expect, madaming challenges, no, may kaaway, no, either sa workplace or sa bahay, magkakaroon ng mga emotional outbursts, no. So this is on the first half of the year, no? Around middle of the year naman, may papuntang Uranus, no, will be in harmonious aspect, no, with Pluto and Aquarius, which can make them more intelligent, no? So parang mas makaka-adapt sila sa mga nangyayari and basically parang may upgrade, no, sa buhay nila on the second around the na yan, siguro starting around May, no, hanggang for the rest of the year. So it's not really so bad kung they will accept the changes that needs to be done.
May gusto akong tanungin, kasi usually po ngayon, lalo na sa Generation Alpha at Gen Z, pag sinabi mong kunwari describe mo yung isang tao, sasabihin na, you're an Aries. Alam mo yun? She's so Gemini coded. Yung mga ganon. Di ba? Yung parang ginajudge na nila yung karakter ng tao bago pa sila makilala o tinatanong nila yung sign tas nag-a-assume na sila nung characteristic ng tao. Ano pong masasabi niyo tungkol doon, Sir Resty?
Okay, so we call that sun sign, no? So iba yung sun sign sa full astrological chart, no? So kasi parang lang yan no? Parang the sun sign is just 1/12, no, of the whole astrological chart. So somehow tama siguro yung description, pero hindi yung kabuuan ng isang tao. So siguro let's use that information with a grain of salt.
Okay.
Sir, Resty, nakumpleto na po ba yung ating zodiac sign? After Aries, okay
Hindi pa.
na. Okay.
Inuna lang natin yung mga extreme extreme cases.
Okay. So, ito na yung medyo gitna-gitna na tayo.
Oo.
Okay.
Sige, so yung next sign is Taurus, no? Taurus generally medyo stable, no, except sa fourth quarter, no, wherein there can be some health issues or even questions, no, about love, no? But basically first half of the year parang friendship, no, mga tutulong, noble people will be good to them. So generally Taurus medyo more stable, no?
And then?
Okay, and next is Gemini. Gemini may major Gemini is where Uranus, the revolutionary planet, the planet of technology, the planet of changes, no, will be in that sign, you know. So on the positive side, it means mas magiging matalino sila or mas magiging charismatic, no, because of the intelligence that they will be showing, no. So for Gemini, it's going to be a very busy year. So make the most of that, no. Number one nga, from the intelligence, charisma, and then
Bakit para may violent
opportunities.
reaction?
Oo,
Kuya
bakit
Joe?
Ako yan eh.
nagre-react?
Hindi, pero bakit ka nag-reaction? Very busy. Ayaw mo ba nun?
Gemini. Oo.
Ako Gemini
Nagre-react.
Cancer in
Ako,
the cusp.
gusto ko na maging busy kesa hindi maging busy.
Correct, kesa nga nga.
Tama
Oo.
naman.
Oo.
Yeah, it follows, no, kung may opportunity, grab it. Kaya kailangan maging masipag din.
Yes.
Nakompleto nyo na po ba, Sir Resty?
After Gemini,
Okay, after Gemini, Cancer na discuss na natin, which is
Opo.
one of the luckiest signs.
yes.
And then Leo, Virgo yung susunod, no, na hindi pa
Okay,
natin
Virgo.
na-discuss. Virgo is going to be hit, no, by the eclipses, no.
wow.
By eclipses naman, madaming challenges nga, no, sa health, sa career, no. So basically, parang kailangan ng parang decision making, no. Should you stay with this person? Should you stay with that career or whatever? So it's time for introspection. On the positive side, merong isang tinik, no, na nabunot, no, dahil sa paggalaw ng isang planeta, which is Saturn, umalis na sa Virgo. So siguro sabihin natin itong 2026 is more on reconstructing, no, one's life based on the challenges na pinagdaanan last year and the first half of this year.
Oh. So yun na po yung last. Virgo na po yung last.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Okay.
So, kasi yan eh. Okay, so Libra yung susunod. Libra, generally maganda yung takbo, no, ng career. So it's like peaking, no, sa career nila. So again,
Sino
make
itong
the
mga
most
Libra
of
na
the opportunities. Okay, so Scorpio yung susunod. Scorpio, medyo stable din, especially sa first half of the year. Ang warning lang sa Scorpio is yung choosing, no? Choose the right person, choose the right opportunity, choose the right partner, business or
Naku, mga
romantic.
Libra, maging choosy
Oo.
kayo.
Scorpio.
Mm,
Okay.
Choosy.
So,
Okay,
okay.
Sagittarius tapos na. Capricorn tayo ngayon. Capricorn at two more signs. Capricorn is the sign na medyo dapat pag-ingatan yung kanilang health, pag-ingatan yung kanilang schedule, follow a structure, let's say mag-budget, gumawa, no, ng mga long-term planning. Okay? Second to the last is Aquarius, no? Aquarius, I think na-discuss na pala natin, tatamaan nga siya ng eclipse. The last one is Pisces. Pisces is the sign na medyo nakahinga rin, ano, kasi nga umalis na yung isang paalis na itong Saturn sa sign ng Pisces, at Jupiter will be bringing opportunities, new friends, new contracts, no, sa Pisces on the first half of the year. Second half siguro kailangan lang din ingatan yung kanilang health, no, let's say especially sa start, no, with having enough sleep, no, so health and sort of mental health ang kailangan nilang ingatan.
Okay.
So, PBBM is Virgo, VP Sara is Gemini.
Oh, yun.
Yun
Nasabi
nga, sino
na.
swerte doon?
Gemini.
Okay.
Sabi ni
Gemini.
Resty,
Oo, oo.
maswerte. Pero parang panahon ng reconstruction for
Yes.
Virgo.
Yes.
For PBBM.
Okay, for Virgo.
Diba?
O parang
Yes,
saktong-sakto sa mga kaganapan.
Oo. Pero dapat dapat ang mga leader natin maging busy rin tulad ng Gemini.
Ay, dapat maging busy.
Oh, MJ.
Oh.
Okay, no?
Sir Yancy, sa kayo pwede
Pero-
matagpuan kung may gustong magpabasa ng kanilang astrological sign.
Oh yeah, sure. So meron tayong FB page, Filipino Astrologer, at makikita naman nila yung
Yes.
ating gawa doon, and then you can just send me a message.
Yeah. Thank you, Resty, for answering our call ngayong ikalawang araw ng Enero 2026.
Tuloy-tuloy na to di ba? Yung mga tatanungin natin yung mga sign,
Yes,
yung mga
yes,
year
yes.
of the
Yes.
Chinese zodiac.
Puntahan niyo po si Resty sa Filipino Astrologer sa Facebook, mga kapatid. Thank you, Resty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.